Now that we've drawn in a couple of our roof shapes right there, what we'll do next is we are going to actually connect these and go move around our roof plane points. Now, because you've already covered the ceiling training, it should be fairly simple for you to control these roof planes and their shapes. All you need to do is make sure that you have your Select and Edit Roof Plane tool selected right there. And what we'll do next is actually edit our roof planes. First off, if you select a roof plane, you'll notice that it turns to a dark blue border. If you get closer to one of the edges, right there, and I select, you can see it actually selects one of the lines, meaning your border of your roof plane. If you get closer to one of the sides, which we will call handles in this case, we can have the ability to move it in and out like this. If I get closer to the center, we can go up and down. And if I go to the right-hand side and click, you can see we can move it in and out again. First off, what we'll do with this project is we'll create a gable roof first, and then I'll show you how to do a hip roof after that. So for the first one, we're going to make sure by selecting on the inside line right there, that this dimension is at least to the center of your project right there. Currently, my walls are spanning a 6 meter length apart. Now what you can see there is the distance to the inside of the wall. So obviously what we'll be doing is connecting these two roof planes in the center apex point right there. So the first option how to do this is we're going to select on the inside of the line, click the dimension, and we want to make sure that this is in the center of this project. So we take 6 meters divided into 2, meaning 3 meters to the middle of your project. And also we'll be subtracting 90 millimeters off of that dimension just because of our wall thickness. So in this case, we'll be using 2910 for the dimension of that roof plane to the inside of my wall. Click OK. And then the next option we can select on the inside of that roof line right there, click on that dimension, and we can make it 0. So as you'll notice, you have the ability to control the length or the size of your roof plane by selecting on the inside of the line and selecting on the dimensions that pop up right there. You'll notice that one right there and that one right there, they are equal, meaning that your roof plane currently meets up in the center. We can also see this when we look at it in 3D. Just another method to move your roof planes around. If you have a look right there, we're going to click on the inside of that line. We'll talk about the 3 handles. And then the next option we have, if you've already selected one of the handles, you can hold the control key on your keyboard and move your mouse around. You can see you have free reign of that plane point.